let's look at one of the creative phone stand. Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, and this time round it's a creative phone stand. I know I've been reviewing phone stand here and there, and this time round there's a company called Gtippor. I'm not sure whether I pronounce it correctly. So they sent me this phone stand to review. As you all know, I always like to discover creative stuff and nice stuff, so I accepted it. Full disclosure, they did not pay me to do this review, and they have no say in the final outcome, and the views reflected here are 100% mine. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. The box is pretty straightforward. So once you open up, you'll receive a thank you card and also a quick start menu, followed by the product itself. First impression of the product, I think it's nice. It seems like a card case to me. As you can see that it slides out just by pushing it out, and this thing is made out of aluminium and ABS plastic for the rubber part. I'm actually amazed by the design itself, because it's two pieces of aluminium folds into one and you can slide it out with just one hand operation. And I must say, the sliding mechanism is damn satisfying. Just listen to this. Just take a look how slim the profile is. It's just like a normal wallet card size. For the dimension, the height is only just 0.9 cm. The interesting part of this product is once you slide it out, the backrest will pop, and that's where you can place to view in different angle. And as I have measured, the viewing angle range from 135 all the way to 105. And not only that, it can increase in height by 3 cm tall. Isn't this amazing? Everything packed into one box. So what if your cell phone is running out of juice? Fret not, because you can straight away plug in your lightning cable. Just increase the height and you can plug your cable in. And the holder itself is actually spring loaded. So once you open up the case, the leg will just pop up by itself. So everything is automatically, you don't even need to push it out manually. So for the last test, I would like to use my 12.9-inch iPad Pro for this testing. As you can see, I can actually place my iPad onto the holder itself. But of course, it's not advisable for you to do any sketching or typing. This is purely for viewing purposes only. As you can see, when I tap on the screen left and screen right, the thing starts to wobble a bit. So it's advisable not to touch if you have a bigger tablet. I'm pretty sure if you have an iPad mini, this should work well. And here is the alternate angle from the side view. As you can see, the product actually looks quite slick and nice lah. So as the base is made out of two strips of rubber, when you put on any surface, it won't easily slide around. So this is one of the nice features that this holder has. And because this is a minimalist design, you can technically store it anywhere, everywhere. And best thing of all, it will not scratch any item that is within your bag. And inside it's basically the same material, so your phone won't easily get scratched by the aluminium of this product itself. Alright guys, that is it for my video. I will link everything down in the description box below so that you can check it out and purchase it if you want to. If you like this video, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.